Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.